I'm gonna do a running video for you guys on the Austin-Healey 100M. This car is just stunning in person. Absolutely stunning, this color combination. Fires right up. Runs really well. Oil pressure's good. Car doesn't get hot, stays nice and cool. Idles perfectly. Got some more gas for you guys. Go ahead and do a little road drive for you guys as well. Anyone can come and do an inspection or have an inspection done by a third party. We welcome them. I'm gonna go ahead and button up the hood, take it for a spin.